Hello to the people of YouTube. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I thought I'd read to you a poem in the wild. I'm in North London in Hampstead Heath, and Hampstead Heath is a lovely woodland area, a foresty area, and it is quite a phenomenal place to explore various different types of nature you can discover here in Hampstead Heath. And the poem I wanted to read to you is from this book, Poems from Ireland. So it's an Irish poem by one Lord Dunsany, and he lived 1878 to 1957, and it's called A Call to the Wild, and it goes something like: Jimson lived in a new small house where the view is shrouded with hideous hoardings, a view that is every year more crowded. Every year he is vexed with some new noise. As a neighbour, the tram lines are coming next, and the street is noisy with labour. But one thing he sees afar from a window over his back door is a wood as wild as a star on a hill untouched by contractor. Thither at times forlorn, from the clamour of things suburban, he turns as the Arab at dawn to Mecca inclines his turban. And this is the curious prayer that he prays when his heart sickens: "Oh, the fox come down from your lair and steal our chickens." And that is the poem there. Quite a lovely poem from Ireland about the wood. And of course, I am in this woodland area in Hampstead Heath, and it is just beautiful. So if you ever make your way to London, be sure to head to North London and check out Hampstead Heath. Quite a fantastic place. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit like for more amazing videos from all over London. Thanks so much. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.